Hello there and welcome to this week's art lesson. So we're going to start off as we normally do by looking at a piece of artwork, and we're going to talk about the subject, the media, the visual elements and your feelings and thoughts about the piece of artwork. So let's have a look at today's piece of artwork and have a look and see what you can see in the artwork. So you might want to pause the video to do this. I'm going to zoom in a bit as well on some parts of the artwork so you can have a really close look. Okay, just wondering what you managed to see in there. I'm wondering if you managed to see a figure in there. We have a head here with some eyes, nose, lips and a mouth and some hair. And we've got some shoulders, and in front of the figure you can see that they've got their hands kind of folded and joined together, and you can see some fingers there. Okay, let's move on and have a think about what media did the artist use. Is it a painting? Is it a drawing? Is it made of clay? Is it a photograph? Is it a sculpture? Is it made of metal? Is it made of wood? Is it made of cardboard? What are your ideas? Pause the video and have a think about that. Okay, next we're going to have a think about which visual element is the strongest here. Do you think it's line? Do you think it's colour, pattern or texture, or shape or form? And as we normally do, think about your own art gallery that you've got with 4 different rooms, and you've got to decide which room you're going to put this piece of artwork into. You're going to put it into line, colour, pattern or texture, or shape or form. Pause the video and have a think about that. Okay, just before we go on, I did mean to say to you that this is actually made of metal. The artist would have started off with a cardboard sculpture, but then if you look in really closely you can see that it is actually all made of metal, this piece of artwork. Okay, and last of all, what does the artwork make you think about or feel? So you can pause the video and have a think about that. You might want to think about what kind of mood the person in the sculpture is showing. Do you think they're feeling happy? Are they feeling thoughtful? Are they worrying about something? Are they feeling excited? How do they make you, what do they make you think about, or what do they make you feel? Sometimes looking at the face can give you a good idea as to someone's emotions. Are they looking happy, sad, thoughtful? What about having their hands in front? Does that tell us something about the person in the sculpture? Okay, we're going to move on to the last slide, which tells us that it's by an artist called Naum Gabo, and the piece of art is called Head Number 2, and it was made in 1916. So although it looks really quite modern, it's 105 years old. We're going to be working on some sculptures today, and so you can choose to do the primary 1 or 2 task, primary 3, 4 or 5 task, or the primary 6 or 7 task. So you can have a look for the video that you would like to do and we'll see you over there. Thank you.